𝗟𝗃.io animated arrow. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they want to make their diagrams more engaging and easier to understand. Adding animated arrows in 𝗟𝗃.io helps highlight flow, direction, and processes clearly. To create an animated arrow in 𝗟𝗃.io, begin by opening your Windows computer and making sure it is fully ready to use. Next, open Google Chrome on Windows so you can access the internet and use web-based tools smoothly. Once the browser is open, click on the search bar and type 𝗟𝗃.io, then press Enter to perform the search. From the results that appear, carefully select the official 𝗟𝗃.io website to ensure you are using the correct and secure platform. After the site loads, click the Start button to launch 𝗟𝗃.io and begin working on your project. When the editor opens, create the diagram you want, including arrows or connectors that you plan to animate. After finishing your diagram, go to the top menu and locate the available options. Click on the Edit menu to open its drop-down list. Then choose Select All so that every element in your diagram is highlighted. Next, return to the Edit menu again and click Select Edges to specifically target all arrow lines or connectors in your design. Once the edges are selected, move your attention to the menu on the right side of the screen where formatting options are displayed. In this panel, select the Styles section to adjust the appearance of your selected elements. After that, click on Effects to open additional visual settings. Within the Effects options, find and check the Flow Animation box to enable movement along the arrows. Finally, preview the result by observing the diagram and confirming that the arrows now display a smooth animated flow effect as intended. Make sure the animation is clearly visible and that each arrow shows a consistent direction of flow across the entire diagram. If the animation does not appear immediately, wait a moment or recheck that the Flow Animation option remains enabled in the Effects section. You can also zoom in or out to better view how the animation behaves on different parts of the diagram. Once you are satisfied with the result, your animated arrows are successfully created and ready to be used in presentations or shared diagrams easily now.